Hi Lancers, I'm going to show you how to edit your learning page and where to find it. First, you're going to find it in your Google Drive. So I've shared it with you. You can go to Shared with Me. If you're lucky, it'll just be on the top. Right now, I'm in the common shared drive that I built them all in. So I'm just going to go and pull up mine and show you what to do. Once you get into your drive and you see your page, there's a few things that you need to know about the page. This was built by the district so that we can have consistency across the district for parents and students to find content easily and quickly. So I've created a URL up here, and then this down here matches. So if this doesn't look correct or you need something changed in here, you need to let me know so that I can fix that. And so it's has the correct URL. On the front page here, don't change the logo, don't change the color scheme. You can change your name if you want it to say, you know, your first name or something on the learning page, you can do that. Your email is already linked, but just to make sure that this is correct, because I did how many of them, just go ahead and click on the pencil and make sure that your email says the correct email. And if it's correct, just go ahead and hit apply so it stays there. All right, down here in the teacher message, you will see that there's a virtual learning expectation down here. And these are expectations that we as a building want to relay to the students and to the parents about what we expect for these while we're on virtual. You can edit inside here and add anything you want here. A little note to your students, hi, welcome, here's what you can expect for today or whatever. And then your virtual learning expectations should always remain in this teacher message anywhere, either at the top or at the bottom of your message. Down here is a link to Google Classrooms. So you'll see yours says course 1, 2, and 3. I've already edited for KLIN. But if I needed to change the name of that class, I'm just highlighting it and using normal text and typing the name of my class. If you want it to be a heading, you can change it to a heading. If you want it to be a subheading, it just gets a little darker. To link it, you're just going to highlight it, click the little button, insert the URL right here, hit apply, and then you'll be able to be linked to that Google Classroom. Right here in this window is the Back to School Night video. You're just going to see Back to School Night, and then you're going to go ahead and type in there whatever you want to say. Watch my video. Here's information about Back to School Night. Go ahead and highlight that and link your video that you're going to make right there. Everybody, these two things will remain the same unless you use something different besides Google Classroom. You can link something else here, but keep this Back to School Night and then whatever your classroom links are for sites that you want kids to go to. The quick links down here are pretty much going to remain the same. You won't do any changes to those. PSD links should not be changed. Parent view, student view, they want this consistent throughout the district, throughout the school. Our school links will stay the website and the PSD email. Down here at the footer, again, that's something that you shouldn't edit. All right. Now you're going to go to the top of your page, and at the top we've already inserted your course pages to correspond to what you have down here. So what you're going to do is just match those. Of course, we're on our home page now. This would be my second page. And to edit this page, I'm going to go to the right here on pages. I'm going to pick the page, and then I'm going to go ahead and type the name of the course there, and that will go up here. So if I had a different course here, I would add it. But if I don't, and I don't need that page, I can just delete it. Same. Then here's a blank page if you wanted to add something else. Okay, now so I'm going to go back to my second page, my first page, and in here, I'm going to change the heading to match what I have here. So KLIN goes there. That's where you would edit that. And then any links or contents, you can go ahead and design this page however you want, however it fits for your class. And here's all your tools right here on the right, how you can lay it out. You can change this page and you can add themes to this page. You just can't add themes to the home page. This would be the only time you can be a little more creative. You have to keep the home page the same. Now, when you're all done with editing your pages and adding whatever you want here on the site, you go ahead and press publish. And then when you hit publish, you'll see that you have two sites. What's currently published, which is what I put in the first time, and then what you just edited. Make sure that all your edits are there, and then go ahead and click publish so that your website is changed. All right. So now I'm going to show you where these reside for your students so you can tell them how to find them. So go to the Lincoln website, which I am here, but let me just get back to the front page so you can see. And the site, and here is the front page. Well, actually, I'll go here so you can find us. All right, so you're going to find staff directory on the front page, and it's going to look like this. And right here is where your learning page is, right next to your name. And when you click on it, or your students click on it, or your parents click on it, they'll see your published site and when it's edited. Okay, so that's all right there. I'm going to go back and show you how to get into edit your profile. So I'm just going to log out real fast so I can show you how to log in, since I've already been playing on here. Okay, right here at the top is the banner where it says staff, and you can go down here. Right here, staff is password protected, so go ahead and click this PSD staff login, sign in here, and then you will see the portal. You want to visit the Lincoln staff portal right here, and right in here is the staff portal. A few things I just wanted to point out. Links in here, the toolkit that Penny will talk about, your server access from home if you need that, and a link to the Tech Hub if you need that. I'll put any more important documents as they come up or as the year goes. Here's links to some apps that we have that you can use. So go ahead and find those there as well. To edit your profile, just go to the top of the page where you see your name and, of course, edit profile. It's the same as you've done in the past. Your email address, your name, your password, confirm your password. If your password's in there, if not, you're going to have to put it in there. Don't play with the status. That's me. You don't need to play with that. Your first name, last name, make sure the email's correct. If you have a direct school number, put that in there. Your role in the building. So mine's building tech coordinator, but let's say I'm also the 6th grade team lead. I can choose that as well. Okay, so that's your role. You want to make sure you fill those out. And then this is your class website. This is the learning page. Do not delete this or change this. This needs to stay here. You are welcome to add another one, and you would just add the URL here and then the name of it right there, so it'll show up. You can add a couple more. Just know that the more you add, the smaller it gets on the profile on the front page. Here's where you write your profile up. And then this down here is where you're going to put your department. So if you're Encore, if you're language and literature, or Spanish is language acquisition. We're trying to just keep it consistent across the website, if you notice. Okay, don't do any of that. And then make sure you hit the save button so it's all there. And I'm not going to worry about the password right now. So when you go back to the website, you can check out what it looks like on the staff directory. And in the staff directory, you will see this is where your profile is linked to. There's your email address, and that's already linked. And then your building, your role, and then what's your, let's see, your department, and then your role, and then your link to your learning page is all right there. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck and have fun. Okay, bye.